The question says Rahul bought two pens of rupees 10.50 each or 10 rupees 50 paise each, four erasers of rupees 6 each, and three pencils of 9 rupees 9 each. He gave rupees 100 note to the shopkeeper. How much Rahul will get as refund? So a lot of things involved in the question. Such type of questions will give you all-round practice of many type of questions. So first of all, let us draw a pictorial representation of the question. So it says Rahul bought two pens. So two pens, and cost of each pen is 10.50, and therefore the cost of two pens will be equal to 10.50 multiplied by 2. This is the cost of one pen, 10.50. So this you have to multiply. The multiplication of decimals are very similar to non-decimal numbers. Two zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, carry 1, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, so 2100. There is point after two digits, so 1 2, so the point will come over here. So this is 21.00, and the zeros to the right hand side of the decimal point are insignificant, and therefore this will be equal to 21. It's equal to 21. So this gives you a practice of how you can multiply decimal. So there may be questions like this also. Now he bought four erasers of rupees 6 each. So price of one eraser is 6, and therefore 4 erasers will cost 4 times 6, 4 6 are 24. So these are all rupees. So these are all rupees. So rupees 21, rupees 24, and he bought three pencils of rupees 9 each. So 3 times 9 will give you rupees 27. So the total cost Rahul has to bear is the addition of these three numbers. So that is equal to 21 plus 24 plus 27. So this will come down to 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7, 72 rupees. The question may be how much Rahul paid the shopkeeper. Then the answer would have been 72. But this question does not stop here. Rahul gave rupees 100 note to the shopkeeper. So the shopkeeper, so from Rahul gave to shopkeeper, maybe because he does not have exact 72 rupees, and hence Rahul may have given rupees 100 note to the shopkeeper, but Rahul is liable to pay only rupees 72 because the cost of all these three items which he bought is 72. Therefore, Rahul is liable to pay only rupees 72. But as because Rahul did not have exact 72 rupees, he gave rupees 100 to the shop. Now, shopkeeper will refund the balance amount to Rahul. So, the balance amount be equal to rupees 100 given by Rahul minus 72. Rahul was liable to pay. So 100 minus 72 is, carry out the subtraction by yourself. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 7 is, so the shopkeeper will refund back rupees 28. So in effect you will see that Rahul has given shopkeeper rupees 70 because Rahul has given 100 rupee note and shopkeeper has refunded rupees 28, and hence we can say that Rahul has paid rupees 72 to the shopkeeper. So the answer to this question is rupees 28. So please practice this question because there are a lot of things you will learn. First of all, how you have to take care of calculation of decimals, or the questions where you have got rupees, questions where both rupee and paisa are involved, because 10.50 means 10 rupees and 50 paisa. So this may have been written as rupees 10 and 50 paisa. So this may also have been written in the question. So you should, while calculation, you should consider writing in this form 10.50, and you should know to multiply decimals, and then you have to multiply. So this you have to know very well. Second is that you have to multiply the number of items by the price of each of the item to arrive at the total price of each of the items being bought, and then you add all these and you will get the total amount that the fellow who bought the things is liable to pay to the shopkeeper. Is one of the thing you have to know. Next, there may be a refund from the shopkeeper if the purchaser gives more money than required to the shopkeeper. So all these things are important. There are many things you will understand if you understand this question very well. Keep practicing with the code monk. Thank you.